Hey everyone, today's Treat Tuesday recipe is protein baked apples, which is the perfect winter warmer recipe. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 4 apples, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of rolled oats, a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. I've got about a 1/3 cup here of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, you can also use brown sugar, a sprinkle of ground cinnamon, and of course 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. Now to make this recipe, we're going to split it up into 2 parts. So what we need to do is first cut our apples in half and core the center, and then we're going to pop them in our tray, squeeze the lemon juice over the top and sprinkle them with the cinnamon sugar. Pop that in the oven, which has been preheating at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. To make our oat mixture, what we need to do is melt our coconut oil in a saucepan, and then once that is melted, we simply just need to chuck in the remainder of our ingredients, mix it together until it's combined, and then we take our partially cooked apples out of the oven, spoon this mixture on top of them, and then pop them back in the oven to cook for about 30 minutes. Once they're cooked, take them out of the oven, allow them to cool just slightly, and then serve them with ice cream and enjoy.